My easy hush puppies with hot honey dipping sauce. Oh, yeah. We used to go to this, I grew up not liking fish at all. Just so you know, hush puppies are just like fried cornbread balls of deliciousness, okay? We used to, as I was growing up, we would go to this fish place. This is a box of cornmeal mix and some creamed corn. We'd go, and I don't like fish, you know? Like, growing up, I hated fish, but I would eat those hush puppies. Shout out to everybody in North Carolina. All right, some egg goes in there. I've loved these. All right, so this is a little bit of seasoning love. You can do a lot of different seasonings. This is ancho chili powder, all right? So I'm just gonna get in here and mix it up.
And you just use any cornbread mix?
Yeah, any cornbread mix, but I like the one, if you check the box, it's got some sugar content in it. There's some cornbread mixes that don't have sugar content. So just look in there, and if you find one that you like and it doesn't have sugar content, oh, just a little pinch of sugar goes
I'm with you.
long
For a
way.
hush puppy, you want a little sweetness.
A little sweet.
Right, Jeffrey? You love a little sweet.
Now, you all know the story of the name Hush Puppies?
Yes.
Oh, I would love to hear this, actually.
So, back in the day, hunters and fishermen would make these hush puppies on the fire. They would have their hot oil going, throw some of the cornbread in there, and then throw it to the dogs to hush the puppies who were whining for food.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Yeah,
Love
so
that.
I'm gonna try and hush this puppy today.
Good luck with that.
All right, so I'm putting my batter in the fridge, and I'll tell you why. It's really smart because this is a quick batter. This is a quick bread. And a lot of times when you make a quick bread, it requires cold to hot. Putting it in the fridge before you go into the hot oil is a really smart step to make it nice, light, airy, and fluffy. So my oil, which is peanut oil, is at 375, and actually a little bit above it because adding this in will bring the temperature down a bit. And I'm just gonna scoop with my ice cream scoop right into the oil. And these only take a few. They'll start floating and get nice and golden. And make sure to not overcrowd your frying pot because then the temperature goes down. You can actually kind of watch it. And I'll say like usually about 4 or 5. And they're actually browning up really nice. I'm gonna make this dipping sauce really quick. So this is creamed honey. I add some hot sauce to that, confectioner's sugar.
These searches for hot honey have gone up over 400% in the last 4 years.
Wow.
I mean, it's become a thing. People are putting on everything. Not only fried food, hush puppies, whatever, but a lot of pizzas too. Like a lot of true like wood fire or coal fire pizza. They're hitting it with a little hot honey at the end.
There you go.
I mean,
really quick sauce right there. Just creamed honey, which is just aerated honey. Hot sauce, it's your favorite hot sauce, and some powdered sugar. I'm gonna just kind of flip these over a little bit, but I've got some in the oven that are warm and ready to go. Actually, these will be done in a second, and they're really over golden, so I'd like to take them out.
who's tasting? Because I'll take one for the team. I'm just saying that.
Look at
that.
Take one for the team.
I'm
Those
a
are
team player.
beautiful.
Yeah, you can use different sizes of your ice cream scoop. You know, you can make them smaller. I wouldn't say any bigger than that because you really want the inside to cook. But let me get these out of the oven.
Oh.
So close, yet so far away.
Yeah? And here they go.
Oh, I like
Easy
that.
Hush puppies. Get them in. 200 degrees is a good warming temperature.
Oh, it's the best.
175
Wire rack
sometimes.
sheet pan too, obviously.
Yep.
My stomach's growling looking at those.
All right, Jeff.
Jeff, you're it. This is what you were made for.
A little drizzle, or are you gonna donkey?
Well, I don't want to be rude.
Yeah, do what you like. Look it up. Hush puppies are
Do
like
little
a
side to side.
family kind of thing.
Pass the sauce down.
Hope they're nice, light, and airy.
Look at that hot honey. Oh man, look at that color.
Don't hog the honey, Jeff. Pass it down.
Yeah?
Good hush puppies, like you said, are light and airy in the middle, right? Like if you could see the exterior, it's almost like a tempura batter, how it just kind of, it just explodes with crispiness in your mouth.
Refrigerator rock.
That's the key. Don't skip that step of letting it breathe in the refrigerator and settle and everything. These are awesome. I love hush puppies, and this is the best hush puppy I've ever had.
What?
And that hot honey sauce is gonna go on waffles.